Hello, I'm Othai in the United States. It was a vacation at Palm Springs. We joined the trip with our friend. She was in her conference and asked us if we would like to join it. Yeah. At first, my husband thought about Palm Springs in Florida, and then I gave information about hotels and interesting places, and then he realized, oh, California is hot. We never have any idea to visit Palm Springs in California. By the way, we were there. The hotel is small but quiet, and the pool is the most that my husband enjoy swimming every day, even at night. He pretty much stay in the pool most and enjoy by himself sometimes. Sometimes I join him. I like that small spa tub, which bubbling massage. I speak very slow because in my head try to get what word. At home we had hot tub, but it was broken for many years. The water leak very quick and the electric shut off every time when the water overflow. We would like to destroy it and the deck, but haven't do yet. That's it. I happy when I see my husband happy. Thank you for stopping by. Listen to my story. Bye.